Okay, we've got big breaking news coming in now. 23 days into the India-China border standoff in Ladakh, US President Donald Trump has now stepped into the situation. He's just put out a tweet that we're breaking here where he says, on the India-China standoff, we have informed both India and China that the United States is ready, willing and able to mediate or arbitrate their now raging border dispute. Thank you. So, a tweet out of the blue from President Trump, who says he's ready and willing to mediate and arbitrate between India and China on their border dispute. Huge statement coming in from the US President on the border tensions between India and China that have been raging for 23 days now, but also a larger comment on the border dispute itself that has raged for over half a century now. So, President Trump offering to be a new actor, a new interlocutor between India and China. Remember, President Trump has earlier offered to play mediator between India and Pakistan. That was controversial in itself. And now President Trump, who's fighting his own war, remember, with China, offering to be a mediator between India and China in their festering border dispute that has escalated into a very serious, large-scale standoff in eastern Ladakh. President Trump has been in touch with Prime Minister Modi right through this crisis, and now he says that we have informed. Look at Trump in this tweet. We have informed both India and China that the United States is ready, willing and able to mediate or arbitrate their now raging border dispute. Let me go straight across to our Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, for that first bit of analysis on this. Geeta, President Trump, unpredictable, says things off the cuff, and now he's stepped right into the biggest standoff that India and China have had, and one of the largest border disputes in Asia, literally, offering to play mediator.
Well, that's right. Absolutely unexpected, because we know that there has been a past to Trump trying to offer mediation and try to play a mediating role, and that had to do with India-Pakistan. Made it very clear that there can be no third-party intervention or mediation, and it is a very sensitive issue such as the border issue. Shiv, India is going to continue to maintain that there can be no third-party intervention in any bilateral issue between India and another country, in this case China. Therefore, again, there will have to be a lot of diplomatic to and fro between New Delhi and Washington DC, between the Indian Embassy in Washington DC and the US State Department in messaging. But this is not something that Trump can be briefed about. This is an off-the-cuff remark that he also makes, that he made in the past as well with regards to mediation, playing the big boss, saying that he can mediate and bring some sort of semblance of normalcy. He thinks that it is allowed because he said he's done that in North Korea, in the case of North Korea. But India is very clear that there can be no third-party intervention on any issue that's bilateral in nature, particularly as sensitive as border issue.
Okay, this is interesting because, he isn't just talking about the, current tensions. That's the most important part, isn't it, Geeta? That this is not just about the current tensions, but also about the border dispute in general. So he's saying that we're ready to arbitrate, mediate, not just in the current raging tensions, as he puts it, the raging border dispute, but also the border dispute in general, which has been going on for half a century.
Well, that's right. Again, like I said, the man who has been waiting and has been inquiring, asking the ones who've won it already as to how is it that they are more deserving of winning the Nobel Peace Prize. And no jokes over here, Shiv, but we know that the focus has been to play the larger role, the bigger role of a peacemaker, whether it's North Korea or India-Pakistan, or for that matter now jumping into India-China. We've also seen the kind of statement he's made when it comes to Taiwan and Hong Kong. But the fact of the matter is that this is a China-US war. where the United States of America is trying to rile China. New Delhi understands the nitty-gritties and the intricacies when it comes to any statement being made in Washington, D.C. with regards to China, and treads very carefully. While there has been no official reaction so far from the Ministry of External Affairs or the government when it comes to this offer by President Trump, but it can be, it's something that we know. We've been doing this for a while now, that for India, there can be no third-party mediation, not in current crisis, not in a long-standing dispute between India and any country, particularly when it comes to border issues, particularly when it comes to...
Okay, President Trump now making, it's a bit of a diplomatic googly there, saying that he is ready and willing to play arbitrator. This comes on a day when China has already struck a pretty conciliatory note with India. China is seen to be softening its stand on the Ladakh issue by saying that talks is the way to diffuse the situation and to maintain relations between the two countries. So, major developments on day 23 of the big Ladakh standoff, ladies and gentlemen. Not only has China sounded a very conciliatory note for the first time in 23 days, even keeping and accommodating the possibility of Chinese mind games and psychological warfare, but you've got the US president now who's ready and willing to play a mediator. It's going to be very interesting to see how both China, with which Trump already has a raging and ongoing war of his own, and the Indian government respond to President Trump's offer. Not the first time he's offered to mediate in a dispute or mediate in any kind of dialogue. It was rejected in the past when he tried to mediate on the issue of Kashmir as if it was an issue of dispute. India completely rejected it, and even the White House had backpedaled on that. Now President Trump wants to sit on the line of actual control and mediate between India and China on what he calls the raging border dispute. I want to go across to India Today's defense editor Abhishek Bhalla for a perspective as well. Abhishek, rapid, interesting developments, Abhishek, after some conciliatory noises from China and the Chinese ambassador. Now you've got President Trump himself saying, I'm ready to mediate between you guys.
Well, Shiv, very significant developments that have taken place in the last 24 hours. Remember, there were high-level meetings in India yesterday, and even last evening the Prime Minister chaired a meeting. And subsequently today we have the Chinese Foreign Ministry coming out with a statement that things are under control. And then the Chinese ambassador saying things that shows that there could be a de-escalation. And even US President Donald Trump saying that the US is willing to sort of mediate. So definitely, whatever was happening got the international glare. And there was a message from the Indian side that as far as the military escalation is concerned and the military dialogue is concerned, nothing has moved forward, and it had come to a situation where there was no headway. And that's the reason why it was the political leadership and the diplomacy of two countries that had to find a final resolution.
Geeta, what happens next? Are you hearing whether the Indian government is going to react or respond to what the US president has said? I mean, they will have to add to it. Geeta, can you hear me? Okay, I'm going to stay with Abhishek Bhalla on this. Abhishek, the External Affairs Ministry has been leading communications and messaging on this developing story. Are you hearing anything about whether the Foreign Office, the Indian Foreign Office, will be putting out a statement or a comment on this big offer from President Trump?
Well, Shiv, definitely we must expect some kind of a statement from the Ministry of External Affairs. Now that, the Chinese ambassador has spoken about it, the US president has spoken about it, and as you rightly pointed out, that till now the Ministry of External Affairs was the only agency in the country that was officially speaking about this issue. And even in the last statement that came out from the Indian side, it was the Ministry of External Affairs that had made statements So at some point of time, definitely India will have to put forward its stand, whether it's willing to go in for a mediation. Remember, India has always maintained on border issues that these are bilateral issues and we don't want a mediation from a third party. So going by the standard line, the standard, the belief of the government of India that any border dispute, be it at the line of actual control with China or the line of control with Pakistan, or for that matter even Kashmir, there is no need for a third party to come in. India has always resisted to even the UN coming in. So definitely at some point of time, the Indian Foreign Office will have to make a statement, and India will also need to show whether it's going for a, whether it's in a situation where it can go for a de-escalation as far as this long-standing face-off since May 5 in Ladakh was concerned.
Okay, thanks very much, Abhishek, for the latest on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.